Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today we're looking at a versatile cordless vacuum cleaner that promises to tackle everything from everyday messes to more stubborn dirt. With a 600-watt motor providing up to 50 kilopascals of suction power, this vacuum claims to handle a variety of surfaces, including carpets, hard floors, and even upholstery. But how well does it actually perform in real-world scenarios? Let's dive in and see if this vacuum lives up to its promises. First up, let's talk about the features that stand out. The upgraded 600-watt brushless motor powers this vacuum to deliver strong suction without excessive noise, making it ideal for households where peace and quiet matter. With a runtime of up to 65 minutes in eco mode, it's designed to clean about 2,000 square feet before needing a recharge, which is impressive for a cordless model. But if you need a bit more power, the boost mode drops the runtime to just 15 minutes. Charging takes about 4 hours. And the removable battery offers convenience for flexible charging, which could come in handy for longer cleaning sessions. This vacuum also comes with an extra mattress cleaning tool, a feature that's becoming more common as people seek to combat dust mites and allergens in their home environment. The tool uses an electric brush head and a built-in motor to deeply clean surfaces like sofas, mattresses, and pet beds, helping to remove mites and dander. It's a nice touch for those sensitive to allergens. Another interesting design feature is the self-standing capability. This allows you to pause your cleaning session without needing to find a place to lean the vacuum. The 2-in-1 brush head and included attachments, such as a sofa brush and the mattress cleaning tool, allow you to convert the vacuum into a handheld model in a few simple steps. The adjustable telescopic tube also helps with comfort, ensuring that you don't need to bend over constantly while cleaning. But the question is, does all this flexibility impact its performance? In terms of real-world usage, I found that this vacuum's performance holds up well, especially on hard floors. Cleaning fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair was a breeze in eco mode, and the automatic detection feature in auto mode intelligently adjusted the suction when transitioning between carpet and hard floor. When it comes to carpets, it does an excellent job lifting embedded dirt and pet hair, but there are limitations. On thicker carpets, the suction isn't as strong in eco or standard modes, requiring the boost mode, which does come at the cost of battery life. Using it on stairs, upholstery, and under furniture proved smooth, especially with the included attachments. The mattress tool also worked as expected, extracting dust and allergens from my cushions without issue. However, when tackling long hair, the brush roll can get tangled, a common issue with most vacuums in this category. While it's easy to clean out, it's worth noting if you have pets or long hair in your household. One of the standout positives of this vacuum is its filtration system. With an 8-stage cyclone filtration and a high-efficiency filter, it captures 99.99% of fine particles. This makes it a great choice for allergy sufferers, as it also helps eliminate airborne odors with its aromatherapy tablet in the air outlet, which is a nice touch for those who appreciate a fresh-smelling home after cleaning. Now, as for the noise level, it's relatively quiet for the suction power it provides, especially in eco and standard modes. In boost mode, it does get a bit louder, but it's still manageable compared to other high-powered vacuums. When it comes to value for money, this vacuum offers a competitive package, especially when compared to other cordless models in the same price range. The flexibility, long runtime, and inclusion of the mattress cleaning tool make it a solid option for families, pet owners, and those looking to address allergens in their home. Its suction power is comparable to some mid-range cordless vacuums, but with better runtime and additional features like the self-standing design and aromatherapy system. Comparing this model to others like the Dyson V8 or the Shark i63H, both of which fall within a similar price range, this vacuum holds its ground in terms of power and runtime, but falls short in terms of raw suction power and versatility. For those who prioritize lightweight design and longer runtime, this vacuum is a strong contender, though it may not be the best for deep carpet cleaning, where models like the Dyson V8 tend to excel. In terms of build quality, this vacuum feels solid, but not premium. The plastic components are sturdy enough and the joints and connections are well constructed. It's easy to assemble and switch out attachments, and maintaining it is simple too. The brush roll does require occasional cleaning, especially if you have long hair or pets, but that's standard for vacuums in this category. The filter can also be cleaned or replaced as needed, though I'd recommend checking the filter regularly to ensure maximum performance. As for customer support, the brand offers a 3-year protection plan, which provides peace of mind in case something goes wrong. There's also a 30-day return policy, and the brand has a reputation for responsive customer service, making it easy to address any issues that arise during ownership. So who is this vacuum best suited for? It's a great option for people with hard floors, allergy sufferers, and those who need something that can handle light to medium carpet cleaning. The included attachments and long runtime make it ideal for pet owners and families who need a versatile, easy-to-use vacuum. It might not be the best choice for those who need a vacuum with extreme suction power or who live in larger homes with mostly thick carpets. Thanks for watching today's review. If you're considering this vacuum, make sure to check out the link in the comments box below. If you've used this vacuum, let us know your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews from Reviewsinside.tv. Goodbye till next time, and remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore when you've got the right tools.